right into today's video. And this hair is from Ashimary Hair. I'm gonna quickly unbox. This is the box that does come with the hair, and I'm going to open this up so we can see what comes in their packaging. So in the box, you do get the wig, obviously. You also get this double-sided wig tape. You have this guide or manual to show you how to install the hair properly and basically the product features. You also have this extra NVC strap as well, and this beautiful large bow, this HD wig cap. You have a customer service care tip guide, lashes, edge brush. You have this beautiful tiny mini hair clips. You have this elastic band to help melt the lace, hairpins as well, hair bonnets to secure your wig when you're done installing, and lastly we have this beautiful robe to help with your beauty routine when you're installing your hair. So this right here is the hair that we are going to be installing today, and this is the, you take it out of the bag. This right here is the Ashimary Hair 360 NVC strap lace, and this is what it looks like. So this is a water wave NVC strap fit 360 wig, and this is what it looks like. The lace comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled, and also it is a transparent lace. Now look at this. You do have two combs to the sides that are removable or detachable. You can remove them or put them back if you please. You also have adjustable and removable elastic band to help with securing it. You also have one comb at the back that is also removable. Now this right here is the NVC strap. You guys can see that it's transparent, barely visible, it's very undetectable, and it's secure at the same time. You have a little bit of lace at the back, about 2 inches, to help with styling the hair. Now they are very generous because look at this parting right here. It's about 6 inches wide, so you can style this hair however you want to style it. And with the NVC strap, you can pull onto it to make sure that it's firmer on your head, and you can loosen it up if you want to. But you guys can barely see this. Just tuck it in and you're good to go. So let's go on and install this wig, and this is what it looks like. It did come pre-cut as well. I'm gonna go ahead to just put this on my head so that we can style this the best way possible. This is what it looks like straight out of the box, with no styling, minimal styling, and you can style this in the center part, side parts, however you want to style it. I'm going to style it in every single way. You do have elastic band, but I'm going to go ahead to customize this wig the best way possible. I'm going to first of all tint the lace, and I'm going to be using this one from Ebin. So this is what the hair looks like after I just tinted it a little bit, and it matches my hair perfectly. Look at the volume of this wig and look at how easy it is to install. I'm going to go ahead to just tuck all my hair back in. Now I could have done a better job with, you know, getting my hair looking right, but we're going to work with it like that. Now I'm going to pull onto that NVC strap just to secure it, so that way I can style my hair up in a ponytail, half up, half down, bun style, however I want to style it, and be out the door. But this is what it looks like. You can go ahead to lay down that lace onto your head if you want that perfect, you know, 360 look, but I'm going for something very easy, beginner friendly, that I can just put on my head and be out the door. I'm gonna head to just lay the lace in front. You can skip this if you want to, but I'm gonna be doing this just to make this look a lot better than it is looking already out of the box. I'm cutting off the excess leads because, again, when it comes to wig, it's not a one size fits all, right? You cannot get it perfect because everyone is unique. Everyone has a different head shape, different forehead size. So you want to make sure that you customize your lace, your frontal, your wigs, your closure to the best way that it suits your facial structure, right? So I'm just going to head to just use a little bit of my spray, and I'm gonna press that down. And when I tell you, okay, I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna let you see, because the way this hair melts on my skin, it is so beautiful, right? I'm gonna take my time. It requires no effort, okay, a little bit of effort, but it is so easy to install for someone who wants that 360 look. This is the way to go. I'm gonna go ahead to use the melting band that came with the package, the box, to melt down the lace, and that puff they put on the ear makes a whole lot of difference. Now you can style this hair in a center part, side part, half up, half down, bun style. But we're going to start off with a side part, and I'm just going to show you guys different ways on how you can style it, right? I'm using my wax stick to help slick and style the hair. Again, when it comes to wear and go wigs that are easy to style, you do need a little bit of effort, right? And that's what I'm doing, just a little bit of effort. And you can see that I'm excited because look at that melt. I'm going to be using a melting spray to help melt the lace even further because I want it looking right. So I'm going to be using that, just a little bit of it, and you can see that it is literally disappearing. And look at that. I'm going to be styling this hair and we are literally good to go. Now, this is one way you can style the hair. You have a wide parting space. You can leave it puffy and voluminous, or you can spray a little bit of water to get the curls revamped. Look at the edges, look at my frontal, look at how I laid it down. Girl, I'm fine, and I'm fine thanks to this unit. I'm going to be using my contour powder to just blend in my makeup, but also blend in that lace so everything works and looks like it's one. And this is the hair. This is so beautiful. I'm going to leave it this way, and yeah, this is one way you can style it in a side part. It has a lot of volume, and this is what it looks like. The front, you can barely see the lace, the way that it has been perfectly plucked, and the lace melts onto my skin. Look at it. And the length is just perfect. The curls are gorgeous. I just sprayed a little bit of water to activate the curls. I didn't use any product, just water, and you can see how that curl is just forming. This is the look. What do you guys think? So Kelechi is feeling a little bit funky and creative today because Kelechi wants to show you that with this one wig you can have multiple styles. So it's perfect for the vacation girls who want that curly look, that sexy voluminous look, like little styling effort, right? So a little bit of water again, and this is what it looks like in the center part. I'm gonna push it back, give it a little bit of a bump, and literally we're done. This is what it looks like styled in the center part. And yeah, what do you guys think? Which one do you prefer, center part or side part? Okay, so let's do something more creative. Let's play with the actual design of this unit, because this unit was designed for the 360 girls who wants to get that beautiful pony up down look, but then wants it to look very natural and effortless. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Now, I'm just bringing out a little bit of hair strands in front just to add some oomph to the look. I don't know, I find that it looks more beautiful when you do that, right? A little bit of a bang, and I'm gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle first of all, and it is so easy to style it. I'm gonna press it down because I had a little bit of a lifting, and then cut off the bang so that way it's kind of on. It frames my face beautifully, and this is what we are looking like right now. So yeah, a little bit of water to reactivate the curl, and we have it looking right like magic. What do you guys think about this hairstyle? This hair or this wig has the perfect volume, and it's just lush. It has a perfect volume to achieve any style, but it's also a bit weightless, so you don't feel like you're wearing a lot of hair, right? So this is what it looks like styled in a half up, half down hairstyle. What do you guys think? This is what the back looks like. You can see the curls, you can see the volume, the shine. Oh! And lastly, I'm going to style this hair, give it a different look, take everything up and create a bun. That's the goal. I'm going to just attach the back to the pony that I already created, and this is what the back looks like. Now I could have brushed my hair at the back, but you guys just visualize this, right? You can do a bun situation, a rough bun if you want. You can make the
hair more sleek, you can use the accessories to accessorize the hair. But I'm going to be using that pin to just pin the hair down, so that way we can get that beautiful rough bun look. And this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. You're not seeing that wig pulling out because it is snug, and the lace is invincible, the straps are invincible. You can style it in multiple ways. And this hair is from Ashimary Hair, and it's their water wave invasive strap snug fit 360 lace wig. And I'll leave all the links in the description box, so if you are interested, be sure to check it out. Feel free to let me know in the comment section which hairstyle you guys prefer. I think I personally prefer the half up half down hairstyle, but let me know down in the comment section which one you prefer, and I'll see you guys down there. So have an amazing day, and again, thank you Ashimary Hair for this gorgeous wig, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.